In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a DVD drive into a desktop computer. This DVD drive in particular is an IDE DVD drive, as you can tell by this long row of pins here and this 4-pin Molex connector. So first you have to figure out how does your DVD drive fit into your desktop. This particular case includes these two brackets that go on either side of the DVD drive. So I will install that right now. You just have to line up the holes and screw them in. One thing to note is that on a DVD drive there are 4 holes. 99% of the time you're always going to use just the bottom 2 holes when connecting. Just grab my screwdriver and just install it. Just nice and snug, but not too tight. Okay, now we do the other side. Do this one first. Okay, once you've screwed it in, this particular case has a door. I just have to open up this panel here, and then you just slide it right in. Here, a nice snap, and then now you have to connect the cables to it. First, I will connect this IDE cable. Again, you see all the holes that match the pins. There's a little notch up here, so you just have to align it with the notch in here. So you just bring it up, press like that, and then you have to find the Molex connector, 4 pins like this, and plug it in right here. Close the case, and there you go. You have just installed a DVD drive.